We are at the closing days of Biennale Venice 2025, curated by Carlo Ratti, that inspired Philippe Starck with this theme, the housing. So Philippe Starck has been inspired by these suggestions, and he went back with a bold idea. So this is on display until tomorrow at Arsenale. A simple idea, a sharp idea, a house for the price of a car. Stark says the world is an absolutely crisis, and 1 billion people have no home. For him, this is not only an architectural problem, it's also a human, political, and social issue. And Stark looks at the car industry. He says cars are fast to build. Cars are precise. Cars have high technology. So why not use the same method for homes? Inside these installations, Stark makes a comparison. He compares the intelligence inside a car with the simplicity of a traditional house. And he says something that is very strong. Traditional construction is obsolete, too slow, too expensive, not democratic. And Stark has a clear vision. Design must help as many people as possible. This project continues that mission to look in this direction. But we must ask questions. Is this a real solution, or it's just a dream of an industry? Yeah, industrial production is fast, yes, but it can also create limits. For instance, one shape, one model, one style everywhere for everybody. But Renault supports Philippe Starck in this project to decline it in different ways. So the idea is not outside the market, it is inside it. Still, the installation work is direct, is sharp, it forces us to look at the simple truth. We build millions of cars every year, but we cannot give a roof to all humans. Stark wants to shock us, not with form, not with luxury, but with a question. Why is a home more complex to build than a car? So the installation hasn't been designed to be pretty. It's a way to push us, to make us think. A house for the price of a car. Political message, a human message, and once again, Stark does not let architecture sleep. He wakes it up and he says, give people a roof now.